A string of real misfires begins when a cheerful baking tip lands in the wrong inbox, sparking bewilderment and giggles. The recipient reads aloud a recipe for caramel brownies, as if a secret invitation to a festive dessert club. Meanwhile, the original sender, a busy neighbor, realizes the mix-up and follows the thread to uncover the comic chaos. Neighbors chime in with stories of similar slips, turning a private mistake into shared laughter, kindness, and unexpected connections. What began as a rogue text ends as a town-wide reminder that errors sometimes craft the sweetest human bonds.